Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen T28 Transporter Highline panel van. This vehicle comes in the short wheelbase format and features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 110 PS. This is accompanied by a 5-speed manual transmission. This van comes finished in the metallic paint colour Starlight blue. Across the front of the vehicle it features a set of front parking sensors as well as front fog lamps with a cornering function. Down below, the van sits on the 16-inch Clayton alloy wheels which come in a 5 twin-spoke star design. A full-size steel spare wheel is also provided. Towards the rear of the vehicle we'll find a solid tailgate, and dotted along the rear bumper is a set of rear parking sensors, helping you make every parking manoeuvre with confidence. Behind the tailgate and into the load area itself, it comes with a fully ply-lined load area, complete with multiple lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor. There are 2 lights for illumination, and access into the load area can be found on the passenger side of the vehicle. A full steel black bulkhead separates the load area from the cab, and there's also a step allowing easy access into and out of the load area. Up front in the driver's cab itself, there's a twin armrest seat for the driver, along with a twin-seater passenger bench. In the forms of entertainment, in the centre of the dash we'll find a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. Beneath the touchscreen are the climate controls for the vehicle. The van comes with climatic air conditioning as well as 2 front heated seats. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multi-function leather-trimmed steering wheel.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.